Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected professors, seniors, my dear batchmates, and to everyone present here, a very warm good morning to all of you. Myself, Animesh Aryan from 2024 batch. Today, I will deliver a speech on how medical professionals are contributing towards the growth of our economy. So without wasting any time, let's start. As you all know, today we are celebrating our 76th Republic Day. This shuts up every mouth who ever tried to question if we could ever survive as a nation. But today, we not only survive, we are thriving as a powerful developing country. Today, we are the fifth biggest economy in the world, ahead of our colonial masters. And we are on our path to become and reclaim our Bisguru status. Now, a question might arise in our mind: how are we, medical professionals, contributing towards the growth of our country? And if by any chance yes, then how? See, in the growth of a country, each and every individual has a role to play. And we medical professionals play a very important role in the development of any country. How? We take care of the most important resource of the country. And what is that? Humans. We take care of the physical and mental health of the society through various means like early detection of diseases, making of vaccines through research and innovation, administration of those vaccines to the masses through various vaccination programs, and awareing people through health education so that they could follow a hygienic and improved lifestyle leading to high life expectancy and so on. And by any chance, if anyone become unhealthy and unwell, then we treat them so that they could perform at their best and give their contribution towards the society. This is also the motto of NMO, Swasth Seva Se Rashtra Seva, and that is what we are doing. We are the warriors of the society if any pandemic outbreak occurs, a role which was very well highlighted and appreciated during COVID-19. We do have huge contribution in very much unexpected areas. For example, the recent rise in medal tally of India on international stages like Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games can be attributed to various factors. But we commonly miss a very important factor. And what is that? The role of a physiologist. A physiologist's role is very important in the enhancing the performance of athletes. Having a well-established and modern healthcare facilities could also lead to direct contribution towards economic growth because it will attract foreign customers, generating revenue through medical tourism, which is, by the way, a very much booming sector of today's economy. Therefore, a robust healthcare system is very important for the well-being of nation. The contribution of healthcare professionals are indispensable to India's growth. Let's honor and support them as they continue to be the backbone of our country's growth. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Animesh, for such an insightful speech. The contributions of medical professionals, especially during challenging times, are truly commendable. Now we bring to you another mesmerizing patriotic song, Eh Watan Watan, performed by Priyanka Kumari, Palak Kumari and Soni Kumari. Let's welcome them to the stage.